Gracyl Ropmay kabalong ka nongrwai pawnam Jong ka jylla mynta kasi ka arpo kandai tarik Ïaiong kala Pynlait Paidbah ka music video Jong ka Esha Das Kaba na ka jylla Assam but Iaka ni ka jingrwai kabala Kyrteng I can fly away la rwai ha ka ktien phareng.
So firstly, I am honored and it is a privilege for me to be here on this auspicious day to witness our rising star, Esha Das. I must say that you really have a strong, powerful and a mature voice, a voice that can really connect people through your music. And it's really amazing to see the emergence of our new budding artists coming out of their shells and overcoming all the barriers to showcase their talents. I appreciate the fact that they are chasing their dreams and turning them to reality. So I would like to convey this message to all the artists that your voice is your talent and it is your biggest asset that God has given you. So you must cherish and value it because it's going to give you your identity. You must know that you are God's unique creatures and you should be proud of yourselves. So Esha, this is just the beginning, and as you embark on this journey, you're going to face many challenges in life, but as long as you believe in yourself, you will definitely achieve your dreams. These challenges and failures in life are your pillars to success. And looking at you, you remind me of my younger self 22 years ago. I too started singing at a very young age, and as I grew up, I understood the value of music and how it has turned me into the woman that I am today. Whatever I am today is all because of music. It has really played a vital role in shaping and molding my life. I too have faced a lot of challenges and was on the edge, but I took the courage to rise again from the ashes and to come back to the place where I belong, because it's in music that I find my real peace. And in short, music is the bread of the soul, and it is the elixir of life, and no event is complete without music, be it in church, ceremonies, gatherings, cultural events, concerts, or even funerals. Music can really help us focus, to be inspired, and it even has the power to heal your soul. It is an art that we can express our deepest thoughts and emotions. Be it when you're high or low, you can just turn into music that suits the mood at that particular time, and you can feel the essence of music.
And today I'm releasing my second original English song. And today I'm really grateful to stand here before all of you, and I'm really pleased that you and grateful to have you all and the people who support me. I Can Fly is actually written and composed and sung by me. And this song is about overcoming your obstacles, not caring about what other people say about what you do, and being focused on your life no matter what, and achieving your goals no matter what other people say or any obstacle which is there to stop you or do anything. You need to overcome them and achieve your goals. And this song is, I wrote this song when I was actually feeling down one day, and I thought that this is not what I want to be. And that's why I made myself feel better by telling myself over and over that I can fly, and this is how the song was born. And now it is going to release in my YouTube channel, Isha Music. I hope you all like it and support me. I really appreciate all of you, and thank you for having me here.